Alright guys, today we have a 2013 Honda CRV and we'll be doing the front brake pad replacement. Of course, first you want to start with loosening your nuts, jacking up your vehicle, and taking off your tire. Always remember to use a jack stand. Alright guys, now that we have our tire off, we're looking at the back of our caliper, and we want to start with that bottom bolt down there. You see is a 12mm bolt. You want to lift your caliper up like so and slide it out. Right here you have me just taking out your brake pads. Those brake pads wasn't as bad, but the customer did want to change it, so we took out the brake pads. And if you see me right there, I just have a flathead screwdriver and I'm cleaning the brake hardware. And also guys, some new brake pads come with the new hardware already, so you don't have to clean it all the time. But for this one, it didn't come with new brake hardware, so we cleaned it. Here you can see me putting my brake grease on the same hardware we just cleaned. You want to lubricate all your brake parts. You want to make sure to never really get any of your brake lubricant on the face of your rotors or the face of your pads. You can see right here we adding a little bit of brake grease. We already did for the hardware, and if you want to, you can add a little bit on for your pads also. And remember, never on the face of the pad, just where the pad will be sliding or where the pad sits at. There we go, we reinstalled our brake pads, and you can see I took out my sliding pin right there. That's a very important step that you do not want to skip. You want to make sure you lubricate both sliding pins. You see right there, we're lubricating the bottom. We stick that one back in. And the top one, we didn't even loosen that bolt, but we are gonna go up there and you see lubricated right there. That's the other sliding pin right there. Now, if you don't lubricate it, what'll happen is the next time you go do a brake change, it will not come out. Then you'll end up needing a whole new caliper, all because you didn't lubricate the sliding pins. Right here, we have our big grip pliers, and we sitting there, we just pushing that piston back in its bore. This will allow us enough space, so as you can see right here, so we can put our new brake pads in. Install your caliper, bring it down, and install your 12mm bolt. Again guys, it's very simple to do a brake job. If you would like more tips on how to do automotive work, just follow my page at Baba's Automotive. Thank you.